The blue poison dart frog is a blue frog with black spots. This frog, as well as others of the same family, is very poisonous and has brightly colored skin to warn predators that it's dangerous. The poison it secretes through its skin is not generated on its own, but is synthesized when the frog eats toxic ants. The young hatch from eggs laid in water, and when they hatch, they're not frogs, but tadpoles. Then they gradually grow and transform into frogs in a process called metamorphosis, which lasts about 4 months. Tadpoles live in water. They have tails for swimming and gills for breathing underwater. Once transformed into frogs, they live mostly out of water and can breathe through the lungs or through the pores in their skin. The jaguar is a mammal. It is the largest cat species in America and the third largest in the world, behind only the tiger and the lion. It lives mostly in Central and South America. Its preferred habitat is the forest because it likes water very much and enjoys swimming. The pregnancy of jaguars lasts between 3 and 4 months. The young are born blind, gaining sight after 2 weeks. They nurse for 3 months and accompany their mother to learn how to hunt and become independent after 1 or 2 years. The jaguar is a nocturnal crepuscular animal with well-developed vision. It only eats meat and is an apex predator, meaning it's at the top of the food chain and has no predators of its own in the wild. It feeds on many types of animals and hunts alone, ambushing its prey. It has an exceptionally powerful bite that allows it to pierce even the shells of armored reptiles, such as turtle. Macaws are birds that belong to the parrot family. They have brightly colored feathers, a long tail, and a large, strong, curved beak. They have flexible, agile feet with strong claws, which they use to pierce and hang from tree branches, as well as to handle other objects, just like hands. Macaws can imitate a wide variety of sounds, including the human voice, although they do not do so with vocal cords the way we do, but with an organ under their trachea called the syrinx. Macaws are monogamous, and they mate for life. They are oviparous, and they must keep the eggs they lay warm to mature. Hence, the female normally incubates its eggs for about 4 to 5 weeks. Spider monkeys are primates that live in the tropical forests of Central and South America. They are social animals, living in groups of 6 to 30 members and spending most of their time in trees. They have very long limbs and a very long tail that is also prehensile, which means it helps them cling and swing as if it were another hand. They are covered with thick and dark hair, most often black in color. They communicate with each other through screams, growls, and body postures. Spider monkeys are mammals. The fetus develops inside the mother's womb for about 7.5 months until it's born. For the first months of life, the young always go to their mothers and feed on their mother's milk. During the day, they feed on what they find in trees, especially fruits and nuts, although they can also eat leaves, insects, eggs, and honey. The Amazon River dolphin, or pink river dolphin, lives in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins and is the largest living species of river dolphin. When these dolphins become adults, they acquire a very distinctive pink color. They breathe through their lungs just like us human beings. Therefore, they must regularly come to the surface for air. Like other dolphins, they have an organ in the forehead called melon, which they use for echolocation. This means they can emit sound waves to know where the obstacles and the prey they want to catch are, without the need to see them. This is particularly useful when the waters are cloudy and dirty. Dolphins are mammals like us. Dolphin pregnancy lasts about 11 months, and once born, the young drink their mother's milk for about a year. Dolphins catch their prey and feed mainly on a wide variety of fish, river turtles, and crabs. The anaconda is one of the largest living snakes. Specimens of more than 5 meters and more than 90 kilograms have been found. They live in the wetlands and rivers of the South American rainforests and spend considerable time in water searching for food. They are solitary creatures that are difficult to observe in their natural habitat, as they camouflage themselves extraordinarily well. They are not venomous and employ constriction to subdue their prey. They wrap their body around the prey and tighten their grip until it dies. Most reptiles, including snakes, are oviparous, egg-laying animals. Anacondas, however, are ovoviviparous. This means they keep the eggs inside their body to protect them until the eggs hatch and the young are born, while remaining inside the mother's body. They feed on a wide variety of animals: fish, ducks, caimans, monkeys, and capybaras. Anacondas do not chew. They swallow their prey whole and digest it slowly. In order to swallow the prey whole, they can dislocate their jaws and thus open their mouths wide. The electric eel is a freshwater fish found in tropical climates. It employs branchial respiration. When it swims, the water that enters its mouth passes through its gills. The gills are responsible for extracting oxygen from water and transferring it to the blood. It has a feature that makes it special. It's capable of producing powerful electric shocks it uses both to hunt and to defend itself. Electric eels, like most fish, are oviparous. Females lay eggs in water, a large number of eggs, from which the young are born. Males protect the eggs until they hatch so that other predators do not eat them. Electric eels feed on invertebrates, fish, and small mammals. They can locate and stun their prey with the electric shock they emit.